DE. DE in the sense data engineering, data analyst, data science. I hope that all you guys are already listened these words. Data engineering, data analyst, data science. Hello, you can able to see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of data engineering? If you guys having any knowledge, what is data engineering? Before completing on our education, what is data engineering? Anyone, whatever you have thoughts internally your brain, just share it. That's it. What is data engineering?
Data engineering is the process of managing or analyzing the large amount of data.
Somewhat. Any more?
In data engineering, we can fetch the data, add the data, and process the data, and we will load it into the S3 bucket after finishing the data. I mean, after processing the data. It is simply like that. And if in some more depth, we need to take the data from the S3 bucket, and from the S3 bucket, we need to process the data in Athena or Glue by using the Athena or Glue. And as well as we can use we can get the code in SQL. We need to process the data in SQL using the Athena or Glue. After that, we need to process the data using Python also. After processing the data, we need to load into connect it to Python. And some cases, if the client wants, we need to load the data into the Redshift as well. And whatever may be the process we will do, we will finally load the data again into the S3 bucket only. This is simply like data.
Means I can add for real-time example that is foolish example or else I don't know. Just for every human, for small kid to elder kid can understand. Okay, we have rice, we have raw rice. Raw rice in the sense just we are purchased on the rice. That's it. After purchasing on rice, for you can able to keep keeping on cooking. It's like a normal white rice or else biryani, flavored rice, for or else pickled rice, whatever you want, you can able to create it, right? But converting normal rice to cooking rice, then mediating, you need to add some water and keep on into the stove. It's mandatory. That is mandatory task or not. Whatever rice you can able to eat, you can eat. But before eating on that one, after purchasing on rice, you need to keep on clean. Any dust particles is there like that, you have to minimum look. After cross checking dust particles, removing on dust particles, then you need to keep on stream, right? Without streaming, anyone eating on direct raw rice? Please respond.
No.
No, sir.
Mandatory, we need to cook, right? For after cleaning on minimum basic cleaning you need to do. After streaming mandatory, what it will happen after streaming, it will cook, then you can convert it whatever you want flavor. That's it, right? Now
Yes, sir.
just I am converting this example into the real time in our software field. Okay, each and everywhere we already discussed it. Even Google also each and every millisecond getting on millions of records. How they are generating? Because who are installed for Google, they are browsing the data, all those particular browsing the data, or else Reliance Fresh, or else they our DMarts, for any any retail stores, or else any stores, any type of stores. They're entering on data for salesman. We are capturing on those data. That is also very used data, right? We have plenty of stores, plenty of salesmen, always keeping on typing for entering on capturing on their sales store data into the system. Like that, we are getting lot of the data each and every day, right? For capturing on those data, we need to store into the one bucket. We need to store, right, all those data into the one bucket. How we are keeping raw rice, keeping before keeping on into the stove, your basic cleaning purpose, you will use on one bowl, right? For basic cleaning of rice purpose, any dust particles is there, you can remove, right? Like that, overall the data you are keeping on into the one place. That is for OL, whatever salesman entering on data, that is online process. Okay, OLAP, what we have to call OLAP database. OLAP, online analytical process, we need to call. Just converting into the technical. Okay, bowl, you can call as a bowl. OLAP, you are keeping overall the rice, or else daily sales data, or else daily online ATM transactions, whatever. Keeping on small bowl, that is for basic bowl. OLAP. Okay, like this basic bowl, you will keep overall the data. After, what you need to do, you need to cleaning, right? You need to cleaning, or else for adding on flavors, or else what type of something you need to add it, right? This all belongs to transformations of the data. What we have to call transforming data. OLTP, online transaction portal. Sorry guys, this is for online transactions. For best example, you need to always think about ATM machine only. It is easy way to we can understand. ATM in the sense, whatever you are using on your debit card or credit card or net banking, right? At the time of using on your transactions, then automatically it will store the data, right? Those all belongs to data. It will come under OLTP, online transaction. Okay, after all online transactions, keeping on one of the SQL, or else whatever data sources. We have plenty of data sources nowadays, right? Starting itself already we have discussed Oracle, SAP, SQL. For some starting basic business guys, they will use for Excel also. Like that, we have plenty of data sources. Redshift, like those particular PostgreSQL, like the type of data sources, they will load the data. Let's see if you are fine for this example, or else I need to go a little bit depth. It is very important for going on into the and the one more topic. You are understand this one, right? What is OLTP?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, what is OLTP? You are understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Only two
Yes,
members, three. Hey, we
yes,
have
sir.
37. It's very good figure. Four. I need minimum 10 numbers.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
5, 6,
Understand, sir?
7,
Yes, sir.
Understand? Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
8, 8. Same number repeated. 8. I need two more numbers to answer.
Yes, sir. Understand, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you are understand what is OLTP. Just you need to remember OLTP in the sense ATM or online transactions. That's it. Don't think more. Okay. Like this is belongs to for daily transactions. For our understandable purpose, daily transactions you have to say. Okay. Like the daily transactions, you are keeping on into the one data source, into the one basic bowl in the sense for all these transitions you need to keep on store like SQL, Excel, Oracle, like that databases, what we have to call databases. Now let's see, starting I am mentioning on those naming conversation only transition, not only for myself, right? We are having multiple of users in India, or else each and every bank, for multiple of card holders we have it, bank holders we have it. All those bank holders they will use, right, their banking related stuff. All those data they will keeping on one database. Okay. After keeping on those particular database, that is for OLTP, then those OLTP keeping on after interval of time, interval of time in the sense for 4 hours, 4 or 8 or 12 hours, like that. Not only for one business, each and every business, like this way, there itself time interval they have it. Because let's see, for best example, after 6 p.m. you can able to do any banking transaction in online, not for online, offline. Offline you can able to do it. Offline in the sense you need to visit bank and do any more transactions they will allow to you
No, sir.
after 6 p.m.
No, sir.
Even private banks also they will keep on one time zone cutoff for 6 p.m. But some banks who are high priority banks, they will give another 1.5 hour time to their customers. For attracting purpose, they will tell to customers 7:30 is my cutoff time. Means every day before 7:30 they will do transactions. After 7:30 p.m. mandatory they will stop. No more transactions they are allowed. Right? Let's see how it will happen in the sense we have online transaction. You already entered OTP and click on submit, then you can able to stop the transaction without transaction failed. No, right? It will debit your amount through your credit card or else your net banking or else something else. It will debit, right?
Yes, sir.
But transaction failed is another one more concept. Apart from the transaction failed, no one will stop you once enter your OTP. Like that, each and every bank they need to mandatory submit button for after closing on those particular date. For as per in Indian standard timings, we have cutoff time 9 p.m. After 9 p.m., whatever transitions they are doing, those transitions it will go to next working day. not for this working day. Okay. Like that, transitions, what they are doing after 9 p.m., data it will load. What they will do, data it will load OLTP to OLAP. Got it? Data it will load OLTP to OLAP. Means whatever we are doing on online transitions or else offline transitions, each and every day they are keeping on moving one data source to another one more data source. Let's see, I have 1 lakh rupee with only for 1 rupee coins. I am collected per day 1 lakh rupee in my store. It will allow only for coins. 1 lakh rupee in the sense I will get on more than big bag, right? More big bag I will get it. 1 rupee, 1 rupee like that. I will collect overall those money, keeping on with me. After closing on my shop, I will reach my home. I will keep on one locker. That big bag kept into the one locker because that locker is safer for mine. I can able to see properly because my money is safely inside of the locker. Because locker key, no one have it. That is not for duplicatable. Like that, whatever online transactions it was happened each and every day, they are keeping securely and safely changing one data source into the another one more data source. That is we need to call OLTP data source to OLAP. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Here
Yes, sir.
OLTP to OLAP, whatever doing on this process is coming under data engineering. Okay, this process will come under data engineering. Whatever per day sales it was happened, each and every day sales, they have one end of cut mark for each and every day like 11 p.m. or else 11:30 p.m. After that load it will start. What it will start, database load will start OLTP to OLAP. Got it right? This all this all work is coming under data engineering. This is high payable jobs, right? This all will come under data engineering jobs. For who are have more experience on SQL, then each and every year SQL will get, after 2 to 3 years of experience, you have pure SQL developer. Each and every SQL, each and every 1 year of experience will get minimum 3 lakhs of package. Just imagine, just imagine 2 years who are have experience on SQL, then they are getting on 6 lakhs of package. You are good, right? Up to now, you have queries.
No,
It
sir.
is very interesting and mandatory need for ours. That's the reason I am starting conversation today morning, and afterwards I will tell you data architect. For all this, you will getting on clearly understand. Then automatically you will start for keeping on learning. That's the cause. Just creating one interesting and where we are, what we are doing, what is the profit for mine. I need to know. I'm explaining that one. That's it. Okay. But this is interview question also. What is OLTP? What is OLAP? And the one more interview question. What is difference between OLAP versus OLTP? They will ask. Okay. Coming on into the back. Now, data engineering in the sense, who are having strong experience on SQL, they can able to do it. But For I can settle my life in under data engineering, I need strong experience on coding. Without coding, I can't able to do it. I will get on raw rice. For cleaning on raw rice, I need basic level for what item, what infrastructure we need to use for cleaning on dust particles, or else already off of cutted rice grains for cleaning on those stuff. I need to understand what are the tools they will use it. But I'm not pretty good for recognizing all those process, all those coding language in my human brain. For best example, take for mine. I'm not pretty good for recognizing all those transformations. Then I'm not having any software job. How can I live? How can I will feed with my family without having job? Then automatically we'll get on alternative thoughts. What we need to do, how we need to do. At that time, data analytics it will come into the picture. What it will come? Data analytics it will come into the picture. What is the beautiful of data analytics? What is the beautiful of data analytics? Less code, less code. Okay. Data engineering, more code. More code versus more money. Who will do hard work more, they will get on more money. Okay. Data analytics, less code versus less money. Compare with data engineering. You are with me? Here, OLAP came into the picture. OLAP in the sense cleaning part completed, right? Cleaning everything completed in under OLTP to OLAP. For in here, based upon the whatever you are stored midnight, you are stored right OLTP to OLEP. This is called historical data. We need to call historical data. For each and every BI tool, BI in the sense business intelligence, right? Each and every business intelligence tool will work on historical data only. Will work on historical data. You are with me? No, you got it right. What is the variation?
Yes, sir.
For all data sources, creating through using on OLTP translations, through using SQL, Oracle, SAP, like the type of databases. Whenever database is coming on into the picture, blindly you need to think that is belongs to data engineering work. Okay. Whatever OLAP, online analytical, not for online analytical, for online analysis process, it will start our BA tool, it will start the work. For fetching on historical data, where I will get on data? I need to fetch data somewhere, right? I am getting on one complete day of transactions, then I can store somewhere through OLTP data source. I need to store everyday transactions. Then after based upon the interval of the time, I need to convert that OLTP to OLAP. At the time of OLAP, after cleaning everything kept on ready, let's see, for rice cook completed, then I can able to start for doing on preparing after cooking the rice, for flavored rice. Then my job it will start. That is for BI tools. What is BI tools? We need to call Click, Click Family, Tableau, Power BI, Snackers or Smokers, something we have. Here, lot of BI tools is there. Now you are with me where we are.
Yes, sir.
Where we are.
Data analyst.
We are learning on Power BI right now. It's already completed SQL, right? Already completed SQL. Now we are learning on Power BI. Where we are right now? In under DA, Data Analytics. We are on Data Analytics. But no one CEO, no one human being can understand for straightforward seeing on the raw data. We already discussed it, right? What we have called for region level sales, even CEO can also not recognize how much of sales, what are the products, and all the stuff. But those CEO, once they can view on our reports, they can easily recognize. Let's see, for best example, we already implemented one transformation. The transformation is male, female related stuff. Going on straightforward, anyone can understand what is M, what is F. Let's see, as a technical person I can understand. I will add M5 numbers, male 10 numbers, then M plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15, means total 15 males. Like that I can understand as a technical person. Who will do? Yeah, that is 10 to 15 lines. Then we can do 1 lakh records like that, for 50,000 records like that. For figuring on saying on round figure, anyone can able to do. For raw figure we can do anything. 6 lakh 4,553 records like that, we can do anything. Add, no, right? Like that, unwanted, unrelevant data converting into the understandable format, everything will take care as a BA developer. Okay, for who are have BA skills, they can feel each and every 1 year of experience 2 lakhs only. That's it. Nothing you will get it. It will go on in overall life, not for like based upon the experience. It will go on overall life. Once you will read, but it is the easy path to enter in software field. Data analyst, it is a easy path. Easily we can able to stable in the field. I am pretty sure. Okay. Now coming on into the data science. I hope that everyone listening, right? DS data science in Scalar, Scalar in Google, lot of ads was going on, right? You are following those particular ads. Scalar,
Yes.
learn Scalar. It is very high payable jobs. Within 3 years, 4 years experience, also you are getting on 20 lakhs of package, 15 lakhs of package. Without having IIT schools certificate, also you are getting all those stuff. Yes, they're right. Who are have data science, they can able to handle it. How? How it is possible? Let's say I will tell you normal basic example. Whenever you will go to for store, okay, each and every any store, we have helpers, after helpers, cleaners, helpers keeping on store clean, whatever products keeping on order, guys, after billable persons. Five different type of peoples we found each and every store. Minimum basic maintenance store, right? But all those people, billing counter, who are having those billing counter person, they will get little bit more money, right? For salary. You are went on
Yes, sir.
cross check those stuff, you will get on more money and save place for billing counter when you will do your job properly, or else you need to pay your pocket money also, right? That is little bit tricky job. Then another one more person also is the store manager. What about that person? They will get more and more money, right? Whenever comparing all those persons, for best example, they will get on 20,000 below salary. Then store manager, they will get around 40,000 also, right? Why we're providing store manager more salary? Anyone share your thoughts?
He needs to manage everything in the store. I mean, whatever may be the situation or whatever may be the thing, he need to manage everything.
Means who are hardworking morning to night, store open to store close, who are doing hard working, they are getting less pay. Who are doing on maintenance activities, they are getting on more pay, right? That is one point sentence or not? You all agree with me? Please
Yes,
respond
sir.
fastly. We have another
Yes, sir.
30
Yes,
minutes
sir.
of time.
Yes, sir.
You are agree with me, right? Same thing coming on into the here. Are data engineering guys, really we need to keep on hands off because it is not a small joke. OLTP to OLAP transition data without missing any data, they need to do it. After capturing on data, they need to clean and keeping on proper order whatever business analyst, data analyst person required, that format they need to keep on ready. That is not a normally and ordinary job. We need really keep on hands up. That's the reason more salary they are getting more than data analyst. Up to here we are fine only, but this guy is there, right? A data science guy, bullshit guy. Just they will maintaining on these two things, that's it. Nothing they will do it. Just maintaining on these two things. They are providing on their thoughts, sharing on thoughts. We are all resume probability like the type of wording conversation. What is probability? What is probability? Hello?
Simply like may or may not be happening.
It will happen or not happen. No one will knows, but they will provide. Tomorrow, TCS share market it will increase more than 50 points, 20 points. Then start to buy. Tomorrow early morning market at the time of market open, just buy it. Who are followers about those particular prediction person, all they will buy. 30% in the sense will get on lakhs of rupees. Everyone will buy. Array, 10 members keeping on one product, then automatically it will increase only, right? What is the fruitfulness? But we'll believe always who are providing a probability and who are guiding for our futures for proper way. We'll believe and we'll keep on our investment. That's it. It's like an store manager. We have store manager. Store manager will tell to their management team, we need some export more and more because in their local people eating on more rice only, not for wheat. Then who are maintaining on more than 4 stores, 5 stores, what they will intimate to their high level hierarchy, array this particular a store they need more rice only, not for wheat. Then you need to increase your product rice more. For this month I will get on 1 ton, next month I getting on 1.4 ton, 1.3 ton, like that. But wheat 1 ton to I'm reducing into the half ton only. Sale is not there. Who said? Manager said. The store manager said. They will believe for offline. It will happen, right? Like that, data science, in the sense, they will keep on probability. It will happen in the future, then you need to follow these directions. You will keep on safe mode. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Always providing on their predictions. They will always providing on the predictions into the future. It will happen or not happen. They will say for 100% it will happen. You need to follow my rules, follow my thoughts. Let's see, nowadays, recently, electric cars. Don't go to for electric cars, go to for bikes only. Okay, electric bikes were introduced for past 2.5 years onwards. Electric bikes they are introduced. For starting of the electric bike, they are keeping on price more than 1.5 lakh, nearest to 2 lakhs. At the time of starting, who are have more money, then those people only can able to buy. But nowadays, price it was little bit less, because competition also it was increased. Each and every company they are starting on manufacturing electric bikes, because they are getting on more profit that side. That's the cause. Means each and every company they have data science members. With limited data science members they have it. Okay, what they will tell, are comparing to the other companies, why that sale was increasing in the sense, this is the cause. They are introducing new product. After introducing a new product, that company sales it was increased. We also plan to include that sales. We also plan to increase our sales purpose. We also include that new product into in our brand. Then our sales also it will increase, because we already brand. One word of the statement, then automatically product design owner it will come, and everyone will come, and everyone keep on do. For end of the year, that company also getting on more sales, because outside of the people, they always fetching and buying on those related new launched product only. You are agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Even cell phone also will go like that only, right? What is the latest version, what is the latest product? Whenever comparing to the other brands, minimum 2000 3000 mark less, then what have for minimum need, then they will go to that new company, right? How they are increasing? Based upon the small margin only, but they are capturing crores of the business. How it was happening, all those stuff, using on data science people. Let's see, data engineering working morning to evening, they will get 1,000 rupees per day. Data analyst, they will get 700 rupees per day. But data science people, they will get 2,500 rupees. How much they will get? 2,500 rupees. You are with me?
Yes, sir.
Just to please keep on your goal. For whenever you are coming on into the data and software in your life, just keep on goal. For before retirement taking on software industry, you need to keep all these three into the in your bucket. These three into in your profile. At that time, you are champ. Got it?
Sorry.
Normal person to, you need to become a champion. Then you need to keep all these three things. Or have well experience, well hard work done on into the SQL. Please keep doing practice without stopping. It will automatically reach our expected salary. Okay. Or better understandable SQL, but not able to writing on proper code, then keep on focus for BI. They will also reach our expected salary. You are with me, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir.
not in
Yes,
our
sir.
this is not in our course, data science. These two have it in your free. Let's see, even SQL or else BA with real-time experience and well trainers, you need it. minimum you need to pay 20K mandatory. 20K. Got it? 20K they will charge. Duration less than 45 days only. It's nearest proper classes it will take with 30 days only. You are with me, right? Within 30 days, they will capture 20,000 rupees per the student. 20,000 in the sense that is minimum naming institute. That's it. It is not for high level, not for low level. Minimum standards they will maintain. That's it. Like this way, you already in your pocket 20,000. Now we are planning to keep another one more 20,000. Let's see, we are coming and saying you are listening. That is bullshit. What you will get it, what I will get it, 20,000. Nothing. But I will reach my goal, 6 lakh rupee. Where is 20,000? Where is 6 lakh rupee? You are with me? We need this one, right? Each and every one who are available in this course, they need to reach this goal or not.
Yes, sir.
This is our final goal. For reaching on this goal, we need to do mandatory for doing on more hands-on experience each and every day class. Each and every day class. Automatically you can able to reach 100%. How you can reach 100%? You are doing normal work. Let's see. Example. Okay. In class, one real-time example I can able to explain you. Okay. Of the class, we can work on minimum 3 different types. Got it? Inside of the class, I will tell you only one example only based upon the time zone. Same example dependent, you need to work on 3 different ways. I have mentioned to you yesterday, male or female replacing related stuff, right? Anyone had work on another one more way to close this stuff? Whatever I am explaining in the class, you are just following my class rules and regulations. Just you are doing on your work. That's it, right? You are not thinking more. You need to think more. You need to create like the type of Excel files. You need to create on like the type of data inside of the Power BI also you can able to do it, right? I already shown to you at the time of creating on custom table, custom order table, right? Like that you need to create, you need to do on more practice. Got it? Then who are doing more than 3 different examples, they will reach goal. We are all here for reaching on our bright future goal purpose only. Either you are doing on job or else whatever you have daily activities, nothing it will impact in your future. When you will start your hard work, minimum 2 hours per day, apart from the 2 hours, keep on 1 hour, apart from the class, then you will reach your goal mandatory. No one will stop you. You will reach because every day you are doing on practice. Our Panchabotas also will help you for reaching your goal. You know, right? What is the beautifulness of Panchabotas? One human being thinking on thinking one thought, then automatically take that person and closely move off that person activity related stuff to another one more person. How it will happen? That thoughts, based upon your thoughts, your panchabotas will take place and they will reach you and they will teach you They will walk to you and they will take to you with another one more same thoughts having person. You are believe this one or not? I believe it was happening in my career, in my life by birth onwards. Whatever I am thinking seriously for continuously few days, automatically that whatever I am thinking, the thoughts related person coming on into my life, I am asking on doubts, they are clearing on my doubts, then I am thinking on another one more. Everyone will do like that only, right? Just believe on hard work, everything it will come into the in future. Now, difference between OLAP and OLTP in data warehouse. I will go images. Where is that? I found another one more diagram. Just one. Yes. We already discussed it, right? Let's see. Let's see, guys. I need today we are discussing for three diagrams. These very important diagrams. Each and every person, you have to take one pen and book. Whatever we are discussing, you need to keep on diagrammatic representation. Then you need to forward to me. That is today class. Let's see. Each and every day we have business. In this business, whatever it may be branches, each and every branch they have their sales entered systems. After sales entered system, the transaction it will load into the database. In that, all databases coming under data warehouse. You got it right? What we had discussed, ATM cards or bank transactions, we had discussed it, right? I have HDFC bank account. I visited 4 to 5 different branches, or else each and every branch they have multiple of transactions. For end of the day, they will stop for 9 p.m. or like that. Then they are moving on those all data into the data warehouse. What we have called online transaction, it is belongs to OLTP, online transaction, OLTP. Okay. OLAP in the sense online analytical process. Data engineering people will work on OLTP databases. Data analytical team work on OLAP databases. In interview questions, some uh, crucial managers sometimes will get on interviews, right? They will ask, we are working on OLTP databases or OLAP databases. Oh my God, what are those databases? I listened up to now in my life SQL, MySQL, Excel, Oracle, SAP, Amazon. For like these databases only, what is OLTP? What is OLAP? You will say, sir, I don't know those databases. That's more than fine. You are unfit that interview. You need to understand OLTP online transactions, it will come under data engineering. Once they will keep on ready everything into the OLAP, then your work will start on OLAP. Some person they are keeping on Redshift, right? They are fetching on data through Redshift, doing on all those transformations. Then once again they are keeping on Redshift only. Means they Redshift their database, Redshift to they are fetching on data from BI tools. Redshift is mediating there. For in my projects, Azure SQL, SQL Server, Amazon SQL, for what we have to call Oracle, these data sources I am using. SAP. Now, this diagram everyone understand, right? Whatever we have discussed in Excel, now uh, diagrammatic representation came into the picture. Please, please respond.
Yes, sir.
This diagram, it is understandable way or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, this is my favorite image. This is my favorite image. Before going on in interviews, I will go on this image only. Where is it? The difference between OLAP, OLTP. OLAP in the sense online analytics processing, OLTP in the sense online transaction processing, OLAP. First OLTP to OLAP, you need to go like that. Let's see. OLTP, OLAP. This is the proper way. First transitions we need to load online. Afterwards, loaded transitions I can able to do analytical process through BI tools. Now transitions throughout is vital. Query throughout is vital. Means online transitions we need to transitions only backbone for hours. We need to capture all transitions. For capturing on those transitions, keeping on into the good figure, good visuals, we need for query language. OLTP support fundamental business tasks only. Just they will capture on data. Apart from nothing they will do. Just for doing on some cleaning related activities they can able to do it. But OLAP not for like that. After fetching on data, they will forecasting or supporting taking on business steps. They will do it under online analytical process because they will have top 10 stores, bottom 5 stores. After getting on bottom 5 stores, then they can keep on analysis why these stores are not going on more sales, keeping on more focus for their area. For survey it will go like that. It will happen through online analytical whatever bi people for our Power BI developers, whatever we are providing on visuals through, they are went on. Okay, large number of short transitions it will come. Each and every bank they will have a lot of transitions. Those all belongs to small transitions only, right? But coming on into the BI tools, OLAP, large volume it will came into picture. Large volume in the sense here each and every second they are keeping on per day, but coming on into the here 1 month of data, 1 month of data, 1 year of data, like that we have it historical data. That's the call. For hours it's very large amount of data. It will normalize it. It will normalize it, denormalize it. Normalize it in the sense it will keep on something. Denormalization in the sense we're distracting those raw data into the our relevant data. Okay, for high number of users we have it right. For online transactions every human being can able to do it who are having bank account, who are visiting their stores, retail stores. But coming on into the here online analytical process, only limited users like for our developers only will have access, then fetching on those data into keeping on our visualizations purpose, like that we can able to read, insert, update in online. But coming on into the analytics, just they will use for joins or else existing queries doing on some modifications. Without losing the data, we need to showcase for our visual figures. You are with me? Like that we have a lot of variation. Let's see, you can go through any one visual, whatever it is user friendly for yours. Go to one visual, just keep on notes in your notebook, keep on notes with your pen, mandatory for before showing on image. For this image, these two images I need it. Now I'm going to another one more. It's very important for our Power BI architecture diagram. Now you can understand Power BI architect diagram easily or understand OLTP, OLAP concepts. let's see, this is the best way, best one. Now, whatever we are discussing on online transactions, okay, this all belongs to online transactions. You can able to see clearly, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You
Sairam.
can able to see clearly, right, Sairam?
Yes, Sairam.
For starting itself, this all belongs to online transactions. As a human being, whatever we are doing, it will capture here. Each and every day, end of the day, they will keep on pipelines. Means they need to store one place and then one more place. For best example, you can share your data through mobile, then you need to add on any other third party device, right? Apart from the sender, in the sense your mobile, receiver in the sense who need to receive that information, then mediating we need another one more device, that is for internet cloud, or else through laptop, or else through cable, whatever it may be, we need one device, right? Like that, each and every day whatever we transitions moving on into the OLTP, they are using on data factory, using on pipelines or SQL, whatever it may be, they will use it. Data engineering, they will work on there. Okay, after using on those stuff and keeping on into the store, you can able to store right here. They will keep on into the store. In this particular store, available historical data, right? In this historical means every day they will keeping on data into the here. Every day you are going on outside and buying on something, keeping on into the your home, then inside of the your home, that product relevant information it will increase, right? Like that, store in the sense overall the information keeping on one place in the store. After keeping on information, our data engineering team will start work on creating on flows, implementation on transitions for converting unwanted data into the wanted data, for cleaning the data, overall transformations they will keep on here in under process. For keeping on process purpose, they will use for Spark, Apache Spark, Databricks, data flows, Power Query modes, Stream Analytics, or else Azure Mission Language, or else something. They will do on process. Okay. After doing on keeping on process, then our BI tool it will come into the picture. What will do our BI tool? Go on those particular online analytical process database, fetching on those data and implementing based upon the business logic, converting existing data into the relevant understandable format. You are with me?
Yes, Sairam.
Only this is our job. This overall the part, more than 90% data engineering will do. Only 10% for hours. That's the cause. Salary also variation is there. Got it right? Why they are keeping on more salary there, less salary there? Got it? Here, data analytical team will start, and for extra example, we are fetched on one of the table, right? Mass sorting data set. Mass sorting data set. This is for criminal history records. Criminal history records in the sense case is opened or not, why they are keeping on doing, where they are doing, in restaurant they are robbing, bus station they are robbing, in home they are robbing, rural area they are robbing, for at the time of walking they are robbing, outside of the nightclubs they are robbing. This is our robbing data. Okay, this particular robbing data, okay, for whatever it was happened, this all belongs to some places, but all those places information coming on keeping on OLTP. For all police stations they will enter and file on FIR. After filing on FIR, all FIRs it will go on store into the one database. That database it is belongs to for online analytical process. They can able to find historical data also. That online analytical process database you can start for fetching on record. This is the record, one of the record. Now you got it.
Yes, Sairam.
Texas, we don't know, one of the place. Virginia, that is another one more place. North Carolina, that is belongs to another one more place. Who will knows all those places? But all these places information we have online transactions. Apart from the online transactions, online analytical database where went there and fetching on information. That's the reason we have handy overall the information. Or else how can we say how many male doing on theft, female doing on theft, male or female also doing on theft, right? Like this information. Then as a police officer, I went on this diagram, I can understand easily. This many members still they are doing on for robbery. For male percentage is more, female percentage more, or apart from the male or female, for those male or female percentage also getting on increasing year over year. Everyone get keep on alert, right? They can analyze what happening in my country, what happening in my city, what happening in my state. Like that, male thief persons are increasing. You got it now? How they are analyzing the data.
Yes, Sairam.
Now, these three diagrams I will ping you through WhatsApp. Okay, these three diagrams I need it clearly. If you can able to write this picture also, you can able to write. That is very helpful for you only. Okay. What is OLAP, OLTP? What is Power BI? Architect we need to call. Okay. Briefly explain OLTP versus OLAP. Minimum 5 points. Got it? 5, 6, 7 questions will come with you. You need to keep on ready. Keep on post to me. Tomorrow onwards, no more theoretical classes. Whatever we are done like yesterday, it will go a little bit tough and little bit fast. It will move. Got it? But today class is very important for stability in Power BI or else any field in under software. You need to better understand mandatory for today class. Now you are with me. Any queries as of today?
Yes, sir.
You have any queries?
Sir.
No more queries, right?
No, sir.